everybody, this is Dolphin Treasure here, and welcome to a spooky Halloween video! And when I say spooky, I mean not really spooky. I mean, I got a little pumpkin here. What's so spooky about a pumpkin, am I right? Anyway, welcome, and especially a happy Halloween to all of you beautiful lovelies out there. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Chef's kiss. I hope all of you are having a great day so far, and I hope all of you are actually staying safe out there. For those of you who are trick-or-treating, please be extra cautious. Today I'm going to be doing something a little bit different for Halloween. Usually every year I would dress up in a cosplay or do some sort of makeup tutorial with you guys, but this year I wanted to do something a little bit different. I was going through the store and I found this. I have no idea if this is even going to taste good, but this is called edible zombie slime. I have never made zombie jello before, and I'm like, you know what? This would actually be a really tasty treat today, especially when I'm curled up under my blanket tonight.
After I turn the lights down, putting on beautiful horror movie.
And just get the shit scared out of me. Anyway, let's make some zombie jello today, shall we, kiddos? It looks like a bowl of blood. It's kind of gross. Look at that. Ew, a bowl of blood. Ew, 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 ew. But that's okay. We're going to do this, and it actually does kind of look good, so I can't wait to try it. Now you guys are probably wondering what the pumpkin is going to be for. Well, kiddos, I have something completely different in mind than what you think I might be doing with this pumpkin. Normally, people would carve their pumpkins. I'm going to try something different, and that's where these little things are going to come in handy, so I'll keep that aside for later. But for now, let's go ahead and try making this zombie jello. Alright, first step, opening the box. Because, you know, you can't get to anything if you don't open the box. Alright, let's see what we're working with here. Oh, well, that was easy. Ooh, yummy, look at this. We got zombie fingers, and they come in all different types of colors. From here, they look like gummy worms, don't they? These zombie fingers look like they did the 100 layer challenge. Their nails are like this thick on top of their fingers. It's hilarious. The instructions are to stir the slime mix in 2 cups of water or tonic water. Wait. I tossed the box, but I think I remember. If you use tonic water with this, you can actually make it glow under a black light. Unfortunately, I don't have a black light, so I'm just gonna use regular water today. But that's okay. Alrighty, we can do that. Stir the slime mix in 2 cups of water or tonic water in a medium bowl until mix is dissolved. We gotta refrigerate this bad boy for 2 hours after we mix it up. So that's where this and these are gonna come in handy. And then after you stir everything together, after it's refrigerated for 2 hours, add your gummy worm finger thingies. Gotcha. So I got my bowl. I think this is a good size. I think. It's all Halloween-y too. It's all green and stuff, you know, kind of like the zombie fingers in there. Ooh, so that's gonna be, hello, little tasty. I cannot wait to eat you. Yum. I don't have my water. Crap. Okay, hang on. I'll be right back. 2 cups. Okay. Oh, hey, what are you doing on the floor? Come here. Oh, sorry, Philip. All right, I got my 2 cups of water. All right, I got my slime. I got my 100 layer zombie fingers. Let's do this thing. Bowl. Please don't go everywhere. Please don't go everywhere. Please don't go everywhere. I'm so strong. I got this. Come on. Oh, okay, there we go. Oh, my body is weak this morning. I don't know why. Pouring that in. Oh my gosh, it looks like Kool-Aid. Oh, and it smells really good. Okay. I think I got some in my mouth without trying. Ooh, I like the look of it already. It kind of looks like blood. Stir this around until it's dissolved. It didn't say if it needed to be hot water or if it needed to be cold water. I just used regular cold water, so we'll see how this goes. I don't know. I'm trying not to slosh it or spill it too much. Oh, this is going to be very thick. This is going to be zombie thick, you know what I'm saying? Oh, look at how thick it is, boy. Damn, boy. Just about done. All right, and what I need to do now is I need to go put it in the fridge for 2 hours. Okay, we can do that. right, I got that all set. Foxy, what are you doing out here, buddy? I don't remember bringing you out here. I don't remember bringing you out here. How'd you get here? Oh well, that's okay. Foxy, everybody, he can join us today. Haha! Now that I got that all taken care of, I'm going to put that aside here. And now, while we let that refrigerate, I'm going to be decorating our cute little pumpkin here. And oh my goodness, you are very dirty. Look at that, he's got a dirty butt. We gotta clean that. We gotta clean that dirty patootie of yours, buddy. And it's okay if I don't get you completely clean here, dude, because I could just put whatever I'm gonna do to you on the front. You don't have to worry about your patootie. Got it? Got it. Okay, good. This is not gonna be an ordinary pumpkin. I'm not gonna be carving him today. I'm going to put little tattoos on this guy. I've had these tattoos forever and I don't really plan on wearing them, so I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna decorate a pumpkin with fake tattoos and I wanna see how it goes. I wanna see if it works. He's gonna be our pumpkin for this year. I like it. Punky the Pumpkin. There we go. That's what we're gonna name him. We're gonna name him Punky the Pumpkin. What do you guys think? You think he needs a face? I think he needs a face, actually. Yeah, that would actually make it so much better. Let's give him a scary punky kind of a face. There we go. That works. Okay, there's one eyeball. What do you think? That one eyeball right there? I like it. And we're gonna do the same thing on this side. Okay. Alrighty, we're gonna swoop on up. There we go, Punky. Oh, you're looking so fabulous. Look at you. All amazing and creepy looking. Okay. And he's gonna be smiling dastardly because he is a dastardly pumpkin. Haha. Alright, we're gonna give you an open mouth here, buddy. Oh my gosh, you look super, super punky now. Super, super punky. Look at this. Look at this. Look at how beautiful and scary this is. I love it. It's gorgeous. Look at this. Alrighty, Punky. Should we give you a nose? What do you think? Should we give you some eyebrows? Maybe some eyebrows? You are so spooky. I love it. I love you, Punky. Let's go ahead and add some tattoos to Mr. Punky over here. Let's see if it works. I actually have no clue, but we're gonna find out together. Ooh, there we go. How about this one? We got a heart with angel wings. You think that's good? Okay, he likes that. I like it too. Okay, where should we put it on Punky? Should we put it on the forehead? I think that's good. Okay, we'll try the forehead. You know, you get that satisfying feeling when you take plastic off something for the first time? It's so gorgeous. I remember how these stick-on tattoos work. I might not have worn them since I was, maybe 12 or 11, whatever years old, but I remember how they work because I used to wear them a lot when I was a kid. I loved them to pieces. Moment of truth. We'll see how it looks. Oh my gosh. Oh! That stuck really well. Look at that. Oh, that's so neat. So good. Oh my gosh, that's awesome. I can't wait to put more tattoos on this thing. Oh, looky. Oh, oops. There we go. Oop, oop, oop. Alrighty. Oh, look. How beautiful that one is. Nice and shiny. Oh, I love it. It's so beautiful. Alright, we're gonna put more tattoos on this bad boy. My pumpkin's got the sweats. Need to make sure that the pumpkin does not sweat. But look at this though. Oh, this is turning out so nice. Oh, this is so cool. I got a pumpkin. How freaking cool is that? I love it. This one can go on the back of Punky. Let's see, Punky. How about we... Alright, I'm pressing it down firmly, pressing it down firmly, pressing it down firmly. Did you guys hear that? What the hell is happening? Look how that turned out! Oh, isn't that lovely? So if you guys want to try this cool little decorating, idea for your own pumpkins, it works. It works. And it works really well. I mean, I'm pretty sure tattoos can pretty much stick anywhere. But if you want to decorate a pumpkin with them, I say go for it. That is awesome. Now all we gotta do is just play the waiting game for our zombie jello. and this video will be done. I actually can't wait to taste it. It might taste good, but it might not. I don't know. I'm not gonna lie, low-key kind of scared at how it's gonna taste, but you never know. It could taste really good, but it could also taste awful. I keep hearing things. It's really weird. Oh, awesome! This timer. All right, let's go get our slime and see what it looks like. Oh, look at that beautiful, delicious slime bucket. Oh, let's see what it looks like with the. Oh, oh! I like it. I'm grossed out, but I like it at the same time. It is really, really slimy. Huh? Last ingredients. There's our 100-layer zombie fingers. Okay. Let's do that real quick. And then this will be all done. And I am ready to taste this bad boy. Alright. I got them in there. We can give it a good mix here. Ew, ew, ew. It looks so nasty. Ew. Look at that. It looks so gross, but I love it. I can't get enough of it. I want some more of it. Let me find a really good zombie finger here. And I'm gonna take a, ooh, there we go. I'm gonna take a big old bite of this. Are you ready? Yeah. It pretty much just tastes like Jell-O. That's pretty much what it is. Very sugary. Very, very sugary. Oh man, I can only handle that in so many bites. Oh, I wonder what it would look like if I just dip my hands in it. That's gonna be extremely gross. Oh, it's gonna be cold. Oh. Just all that gross nastiness. Oh my gosh, it's so cold. It's so disgusting. Ew. Oh my god. Am I doing this right? Oh my god. That is so cool. It's so gross. Hold on, I got a finger. I'll eat the gummy fingers, but I'm not gonna eat the rest of this. What about you, Punky? Do you want some? Here, have some. Yummy, delicious. Oh, yum. Gotta eat all that zombie slam. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for joining me today. This was actually really fun, and I didn't know exactly how this was going to turn out, but this was really cool. I mean, it tastes pretty good, so if you want to go try it for yourselves, you know, I would recommend it in small doses, but there you go. We also decorated a pumpkin here. I've never tattooed one before, but hey, that was a lot of fun too. I didn't expect it to stick very well. But anyway, if you did like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, and if you want to subscribe to the channel for more content from myself, feel free to do so down below. Also, we have a Discord server, so if you want to come on in, stop on in, or say hello, we'll all be there to greet you. And as always, thank you so much for joining me today, and I hope you enjoyed today's little video. Don't forget to